HTML table. Many of websites often use tables to display data in a structured format. HTML tables. Web developers can arrange their data into rows and columns of a table. A table is used for web page formatting also. Table can be used for both to store and to display data in structured format. Before start table in HTML, you must know the basic concept of table. Table is a structure or format that organizes data into rows and columns. Basically, tables is formed by its rows and columns. In this table is made up of horizontal rows and vertical columns. Now see some HTML table tags. These are the tags, and here is the description of these tags. Okay, table tags define the table in HTML. Here tag defines the table rows. Th tag defines the table header cell. Td tag defines the table data cells. Caption tag defines a table caption. HTML table attributes. These are the list of attributes that are used on creating HTML table. Attributes. Border. Border specifies the table border in pixels. Rowspan. Rowspan used to span number of rows in a cell. Colspan used to span number of columns in a cell. Cells padding. Cells padding specify the space between the cells border and their contents. Spacing specifies the space between cells. Height and width specify the height and width of the table. Align. Align attributes specify the alignment. We are going to make this table, okay? So I am using Sublime Text Editor. New file. Save this file. File name table.html, okay? Title HTML table. HTML table example br table tr is tr, okay? Now th name th roll number th subject your second row tr. Now start td table say, okay? Rajesh td1 td math third row first data cell, hurry td2 td science close here. Fourth here td vishal td3 td social close here. Notes table. Save this file and now check it. This is our file. Give border here, table border. Border equal to 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 2 pixel. Okay. You can give background color of the table. Okay. Orange or cell spacing, cell padding also in pixel, 5 pixel. Okay. Cell spacing also in pixel, 5 pixel, 5. Okay. Save this file and check it again. Refresh. By default, all the text alignment is in left side. Okay. So if you want to give alignment, then go to TS setting and align center. Copy and you to all headings. All are in center. Now if you want to align the table, then you can give alignment and center. Okay. Now it will show in center of this. You see, or can give center. Okay. Check this. If you want to give the width of the table, then we come to it is in pixel or in percent. Okay. I want to give 100%. Check the width of the table. You can also set height of the table. Height equal to how many pixels do you want? 200. Okay, check. This is how you can give the attribute and make a perfect table in HTML. Okay, if you want to give 5 or 8 pixel border, then it will in a thick, then it will show in thick border. Okay, border thick. You can set border color also. BORDER border COLOR color equal to red. Control S, see the border color. Okay,